Do you want to keep watching or listening to videos while using other apps? In this video, I will show you how to play videos in the background on the RedNote app step by step. This lets you continue listening to content even when you switch to another app or lock your phone. Background playback is perfect for listening to music, podcasts, or long video while multitasking on your phone. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to RedNote app. Here in this page, as you see on RedNote app, you can choose any video you want to keep watching since or until you are watching other app or browsing other apps. Let's choose this one here, and here in this page we'll find this sign here on above. As you see, it's like phone, so you will tap here in this sign, and when you tap here we'll find it in that way. And even if you are logged out to and go into an here easily, and you can watch. For example, let's go to another app like ChatGPT here. So the video is still working on the background, as you see. Also, if we go to here translation app, for example, and we use this app here, the video is still working on the background here, as you see. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.